Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable and install Hyper-V in Windows 11 Home Edition. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to Geeker Mag. For your information, Hyper-V is a built-in virtualization tool from Microsoft that allows you to run virtual machines. Unfortunately, it's hidden in Windows 11 Home Edition. So let's learn the steps to enable and install it. You can clearly see that I'm running Windows 11 Home Edition version 25H2. And if I open Windows feature, there will be no Hyper-V entry. So first of all, we need to ensure if computer's hardware supports virtualization and that is enabled in the BIOS. For that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Switch to Performance tab. Look for virtualization option at the bottom right. If the status is enabled, you are good to proceed. If it's disabled, you must enter your BIOS settings and enable virtualization technology, often labeled as VTX, AMDV or SVM. You will find link for the tutorial in the description. And if the option is missing, your hardware may not support virtualization and your journey ends here. Since the files are present but disabled in Windows 11 Home, you need a script to activate it. For that, right click on the desktop, select New and choose Text Document. Open the text file and paste the following code exactly as it appears below. You will find the code in the reference link in the description. Once done, click File, Save As. Name the file hyper-v.bat. Ensure you save the file with .bat extension and not .text. Otherwise, script will not work. Click Save. Now locate the Hyper-V bat file you just created. Right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. When UAC dialog box appears, click Yes to continue. A command window will open and begin installing the necessary Hyper-V packages. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once completed, the screen will ask if you want to restart. Type Y and press Enter. This will restart your computer immediately. After your computer restarts, verify that Hyper-V is active. For that, click on the search icon and type Hyper-V. You should now see Hyper-V Manager in the results. Click it to open the application and start creating virtual machines. Additionally, if you open Turn Windows feature on or off, this time you will see Hyper-V entry is listed and checked. If you ever need to turn this feature off, simply open Turn Windows feature on or off, uncheck the box next to Hyper-V, click OK and restart your computer. And that's it. I hope this helps. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.